If you are missing this Google Files app and you wish to download and install it on your smartphone, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the right Files app by Google on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, first I'll uninstall this app like this. Now to get Google Files app, you need to go to your Android smartphone or App Store if you're on iPhone and look for App Store. Because I'm on Android and this is a Google app, I'll go to Google Play Store here and then log in with your Gmail before you can search for your app. So I'll just search for Files like that and run the search. Now here you can see we have our app. Tap on it to open. Make sure it is from Google LLC. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 8 million reviews. And currently this app has been downloaded over 5 billion times. And the file size is very small. It's just around 9 MBs as per now. However, this might have changed by the time you are watching this. To get it, tap on install and this will download the latest version of Files app and then install it on your smartphone. To distinguish it also from other files or other apps, make sure it has this logo. Once you are done, now you can open it straight from here to start using Google Files app. So that's how you can install the right Google Files app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.